Hi, you guys. Just wanted to share with you a new bird that we got. I named it Lilo, after Lilo and Stitch, because we're in Hawaii. It is a zebra dove, and it's really an awesome bird. It eats 1 millimeter every 2 hours, and hear him chirping. And I make sure to feed him because, I don't sleep very well. So, this is our baby. Isn't it beautiful? So, I'm going to take care of it, bring it back to health, and it's going to be okay. It's okay, baby. Yeah, it's okay, baby. Yeah. So I just fed him a little bit ago, and he's doing very well for a new little bird. He's really cute. And this is Lilo. So just so you guys know, this is our new pet. And we're going to take care of him, and maybe we'll release him into the wild. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to leave that ball into the hands of God. We'll see what happens, because I've raised birds before. But this is a new treat, especially being the same color as my dog. I think that's even cooler. So we'll see you guys soon. God bless, and may we all save the birds. Peace out. Good night, Lilo.